Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. But this is part 2 of the bird catching, cooking, and insect catching. Wait, bird watching, insect catching, and cooking series. So I'm going to try to end this little series right now. Hopefully we can end it in this video, but we're going to go and pick bird watching because I love animals, and I am pretty sure that I said this to y'all earlier. So we are here, and let's talk to Bailey J. The forest east of town is a vital habitat for birds. Please be careful and protect the... I think I read that already. Confirm learning birdwatching. Ready to learn birdwatching? Please hand me your hobby expansion ticket. So, you're telling me that we can only do birdwatching and not the other ones. That kind of makes me sad, but it's okay. Only nature lovers truly appreciate this hobby. Only nature lovers truly appreciate this hobby. Here's a bird scanner. Try scanning birds with it. Of course, if you'd like more details, I'm happy to share some extra tips. Good thing it's not the time or the flock returns, or I'll be too busy to chat with you. This is a small bird ringing station, though it's pretty new. You could call it a bird watching house too. But if you really want to observe birds, you're better off heading outdoors. This island is a rest spot for migratory birds. It's full of perfect observation spots for bird activity. As for where exactly, well, that's for you to discover. Go become an awesome bird watching volunteer. Alright, so let's go and watch some birds. I'm gonna jump off this, and honestly, don't try this at home, guys. This is just a game. Whoa, see, I didn't die. That would be low-key kind of scary if this game had HP, you know. Open your toolbox and equip the scanner. So, how to watch birds. Hold the scanner close to a bird and tap the scan button. Push the left slider to zoom in. Capture special actions for higher star rating. When birds are nervous, maintain some distance, otherwise they might get scared and fly away. Alright, so let's watch some birds. So let's try to zoom in that bird. And we're going to take a picture. Let's wait for it to do something, but... Okay, that's a 1-star bird. European robin. That's it. The bird ringing station invites you to continue I didn't get time to read that. So guys, I am curious, can we take a picture of the bird on his head? Yeah, okay, that's great. Long-tailed tit. Okay. Oh. Unknown behavior. Can we I love the fact that we can take a picture of this guy's pet. Ooh. Find food. Let's see if it does any other emotes. Alright. Okay. I guess we have to wait for the time it's picking its wing. Alright, so we're going to this bird is not doing anything, guys. Like, excuse me, can you pick your what was that? Okay, I'm not gonna focus on that anymore. I'm not gonna focus on that anymore. Guys, I'm being honest, there's like literally so little birds here. Oh my gosh, the pigeon. Can like what's doing? 1 star. Literally everything I get is 1 star. Ideal pose. I don't know. Where did it go? Guys, all of the birds I get are 1 star, which I don't know how to feel about that. Hopefully a duck. We can find a duck. I know there are ducks here. So, is that a duck? Okay, yeah. So we can go close to that, and alright. Can you like flap your wings? Okay, no. That I will say that's flapping, not ideal pose. Wow. This hobby is kind of tricky because finding birds is not that easy. So we're going to hunt for birds. Guys, I saw a flamingo, but I was dumb and I scared it away. Like, it was right here, the flamingo. So we're in a hunt for a flamingo now. I thought she was a bird, low-key. I'm not even going to lie. Yeah, like, I wanted to take a picture of a flamingo. I feel like that will be like a 5-star or something. Oh, what's that? Is that a bird? No, that's a butterfly. No birds inside. Except pigeons and 1-star birds, of course. Any flamingos? No? Like, no flamingos, okay. Okay, no. Guys, trust me, this is harder than it looks, cause, like, I don't see any birds. Yeah, like, where? I only see insects. I feel like insects catching will be more easier than whatever this is, cause I mean, it's something. Still no flamingo, guys. Still no flamingo. I don't know. This is upsetting. Like, I thought it would be a fun little hobby, but it's really tricky. Like, there's no birds here. except pigeons and stuff. Oh, I thought that was a flamingo. Like, that's a butterfly. Please, a flamingo, please. Only one flamingo? I'm not going to cut this video because this part of the video because I will show y'all real time of how long this is to find a bird. Oh, wait. Is that what I think it is? Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Wait, you're telling me that a flamingo is 2 stars? Are you serious? Now guys, this is technically a bird, so I'm going to take a picture of this. Technically is a bird. Okay, yeah. This is low-key tiring in real life and in game as well because I am hungry now. Now I have to fix my scanner. This was not as fun as I expected, to be honest, guys. I don't know. I guess bird watching is not my thing after all. I might be dramatic, guys. It's not as bad as I expected. What is this? That's not an ideal pose. Anyways, it's not as bad. I'm just being a bit dramatic, I guess, but I will say there are not many birds. I keep seeing the same birds again and again. What's that? Was that a bird? Wait, I'm gonna take a picture of that one. So guys, that was it for the video. I'm going to end this video here. But another bird I saw is Russian coal-eared dove. And yeah, I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera. And yeah, bye. And make sure to like, subscribe. Love y'all. And thanks for the support.